What's up, ladies and gentlemen? And welcome to the channel where we're all about making success a decision. Today, we're looking into the psychological factors that influence our relationship with our finances. So get ready for a direct and thorough exploration that will transform the way you think about money. Money is not just about numbers on a bank statement. It carries immense psychological weight that shapes our attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors. Let's speak on it. Money and childhood programming. Ah, yes. The memories of our childhood. Did you know that our early experiences with money shape our financial attitudes and behaviors as adults? The way our parents approach money, their beliefs, and even our childhood money stories all leave
Whoa.
imprints on our psyche. But here's the exciting part. We have the power to rewrite our money stories. By examining our beliefs, letting go of limiting beliefs, and creating new empowering narratives, we can break free from inherited money patterns and create our own prosperous path. You may have grown up in a household where money was seen as a taboo topic. Your parents may have rarely discussed finances openly and often expressed anxiety and worry about money. As a result, you developed a deep rooted belief that money is scarce and you may always struggle to make ends meet. Your childhood programming instilled a belief in scarcity and financial struggle, shaping your attitudes and behaviors towards money. The impact as an adult. You find it challenging to pursue opportunities for financial growth and stability. You may avoid negotiating for higher salaries or promotions at work, believing that you don't deserve more money. You may also struggle with saving or investing, feeling anxious about the possibility of losing what little money you have. This programming of scarcity creates a self fulfilling prophecy, perpetuating the cycle of financial struggle. Your childhood programming about money directly influences your financial attitudes and behaviors as an adult. Your deep seated belief in scarcity limits your ability to see and pursue financial opportunities and affects your self worth or confidence in handling money. Recognizing the impact of childhood programming is
Hmm.
crucial. By becoming aware of limiting beliefs instilled during childhood, you can consciously work to challenge and reframe those beliefs. Through intentional effort and mindset work, you can gradually break free from the limitations of your childhood programming and adopt a healthier relationship with money. You can begin to believe in your ability to earn, manage, and grow your finances, ultimately creating a positive financial trajectory for yourself. In short, to wrap up this chapter, childhood programming significantly impacts our relationship with money. By identifying and challenging limiting beliefs, individuals can transform their mindset, cultivate abundance, and rewrite their financial story, allowing them to thrive and achieve their financial goals. Let's talk about money and social influence. Humans are social beings, and our financial behaviors are often influenced by those around us.
Oh!
From peer pressure to societal expectations, our desire for acceptance and comparison can impact our relationship with money. But here's the secret. We can harness the power of social influence in a positive way by surrounding ourselves with like minded individuals who value financial well being and seeking support from mentors or financial communities. We can level up our money game together. Here's how money and social influence can coexist for financial gain. Now, just follow me for a second. Tony is an everyday person who always has been surrounded by friends and associates who prioritize material possessions and instant gratification. They often find themselves succumbing to the pressure of keeping up with their peers' spending habits and lifestyle choices, especially the ones posting about it on social media. Tony's social circle influences his financial decisions and behaviors, leading to a focus on material possessions and impulsive spending. By recognizing the power of social influence, he decides to actively seek out a new group of friends who prioritize financial well being, personal growth, and long term success. They join a local finance community where members support and motivate each other to make wise financial choices, invest in their future, and prioritize saving and investing over unnecessary spending. Now, what does this look like? Tony distanced himself from friends that were trying to keep up with the Joneses. He also unfollowed associates seeming to have it all together online, but when in actuality, in real life, he knew that wasn't the case. He cut off all distractions or content that no longer served his long term goals financially. He also aligned himself with people and content that did. Tony harnessed the power of social influence in a positive way by intentionally seeking out like minded individuals who aligned with his financial goals. Tony created a supportive environment that encourages responsible financial behavior and personal growth. Being a part of a community that values financial well being allowed him to learn from others' experiences, gain new perspectives, and receive support and accountability in his financial journey. They were all inspired by the success stories and motivated to make smarter financial decisions, such as budgeting, saving, and investing for the future. We can do this ourselves with individuals who prioritize financial responsibility and long term success. We can break free from the negative social influence of our previous social circle. We no longer feel the pressure to keep up with unsustainable spending habits or succumb to impulsive purchases driven by comparison. Instead, we can feel empowered to make choices aligned with our own financial goals and aspirations. Applying the power of positive social influence is crucial for individuals seeking growth and stability. By actively seeking out communities, mentors, or groups that promote responsible financial behaviors, we can create a supportive network that empowers us to make sound financial decisions, overcome challenges, and achieve long term financial success. So keep in mind, the people we surround ourselves with can have a profound impact on our financial behavior and mindset. By choosing our social circle wisely and seeking positive influences, we can cultivate an environment that supports our financial well being and help us thrive. Let's talk about money and emotions. Emotions and money go hand in hand. Our feelings play a significant role in how we handle our finances. Take, for example, the impulse to make an emotional purchase to cheer ourselves up, or the fear of losing money that leads to irrational financial decisions. Say, for instance, you had a stressful week at work and have been feeling down or burnt out. On your way home, you pass by your favorite shoe plug and you see you have some limited edition shoes available for only a short time. In that moment, you feel an intense desire to buy them, believing it will lift your spirits and make you feel better. You're really experiencing sadness and seeking emotional comfort through the purchase. The financial impact, however, being aware of your limited budget, you decide to make an impulsive purchase using your credit card without considering the long term consequences. This emotional spending not only puts a strain on your finances, but also reinforces the pattern of seeking temporary emotional relief through shopping. In this example, your emotions influence your financial decision making. Your desire to feel better emotionally overpowered your rational thinking about your budget and long term financial goals. This scenario highlights how emotions such as stress, sadness, or even joy can impact our financial choices, sometimes leading to an impulsive and potentially detrimental financial behavior. Understanding the connection between emotions and money can help individuals like yourself become more aware of their emotional triggers and develop healthier coping mechanisms. By practicing mindfulness, emotional awareness, and seeking alternative ways to address emotions, such as self care activities or seeking self support from loved ones, You can break the cycle of emotional spending and make more aligned financial decisions. Remember, emotions and money are intertwined, and being mindful of this relationship can empower individuals to navigate their financial journey with greater awareness and self control. Money and mindset. Our mindset has an intense impact on our financial success. Whether we believe in scarcity or abundance, our thoughts shape our reality. If we constantly focus on lack, we may unknowingly repel wealth and opportunities. But we have the power to reprogram our minds for abundance by shifting our thoughts, practicing gratitude, and affirming our financial goals. We can attract prosperity and unlock new financial possibilities. Let me show you an example of how money and mindset go hand in hand. We all know somebody who always believed that money is scarce and difficult to come by. They grew up in a household where the money is a constant source of stress and saw their parents struggling to make ends meet. Now, as a result, they've developed a scarcity mindset when it comes to money. This individual has a scarcity mindset, believing that there will never be enough money and that financial success is out of reach. Now, the impact is this: due to the scarcity mindset, they tend to shy away from taking risks or pursuing opportunities that could potentially lead to financial growth. They may hesitate to invest in their education or start a business, fearing that they will fail or lose money. This mindset can lead to overspending on unnecessary items out of a belief that they need to enjoy life now because there won't be enough later. From this example, the person's mindset about money directly influences their financial decisions and actions. Their belief in scarcity limits their ability to see and seize opportunities for financial growth. It keeps them trapped in a cycle of fear, preventing them from taking calculated risks that could potentially lead to financial success. Recognizing the connection between money and mindset is crucial for individuals like this. By shifting their mindset from scarcity to abundance, they can open themselves up to new possibilities and opportunities for financial growth. Developing an abundance mindset involves cultivating gratitude, focusing on possibilities rather than limitations, and adopting a belief that wealth and abundance are actually achievable. With an abundance mindset, that person can become more open to exploring investments, pursuing personal development opportunities, and making conscious financial decisions aligned with their long term goals. By transforming their mindset, they can break free from self imposed limitations and create a positive trajectory. Remember, money and mindset go hand in hand, and by fostering a mindset of abundance and empowerment, individuals can transform their relationship with money and unlock their full financial potential. And there it is, folks. The psychology of money is a powerful force that shapes our financial journey. By understanding the emotions, mindset, social influence, and childhood programming that impact our relationship with money, we can become conscious creators of our financial destiny. I'll be diving deeper into this topic in future videos. There's much more to share, but thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're here to unlock your mind, embrace abundance, master your money, and elevate your life, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, peace.